Well, the first thing always for me is to understand what it is, that it's a set of practical skills as well as a series of conceptual skills. So it's like with literacy. People understand how literacy works and they put in curricula and teaching methods to facilitate it. I mean, governments don't say, we would like our students to be able to read and write, let's hope they do, and leave some books lying around and hope somebody takes an interest. They focus on the skills that reading and writing involves, and they help people to develop them. And the same thing with creativity. I make a distinction here actually between personal creativity and general creativity. There are a whole set of generic skills you can learn to think more creatively, to generate ideas, to sift them out, to apply criteria to them. Personal creativity is what I talk about in The Element. It's finding your particular strengths for certain sorts of activity. So the first step I'm saying is you need to define it properly, break it down, understand what the processes are, and then you can start to build a curriculum and a set of teaching skills around that. I think it's very important to recognise the course of human life is not a straight line, it's not linear. I mean, when we come to write our resumes, we tend to pretend that it's all been straightforward and it's all been a strategy that we've been playing out. Actually, life is a constant process of improvisation. Challenges are always coming our way. And our old education systems have been based on a very linear model of supply and demand, particularly in the old industrial economies. We need so many people to do this, so many people to do that. You see it in the shape of education. It used to be the case that there was a broad base in the West of elementary schools, a few secondary comparatively, and a very small number of universities, because it was feeding a particular economic model. Well, for the future, it's going to be very different. People will lead several careers with luck. The technologies that are being developed will create brand new challenges. So, a smart strategy is simply saying we need something that's intelligent and flexible and agile. And that's not an option anymore, it's absolutely vital.